Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix USB printer not detected in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type msdt.exe /ID printer diagnostic. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Print Spooler service, change startup type to automatic, click apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand print queues, right-click printer, click Update driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.